Hi, good morning dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVEM School, Ariginamara. Dear students, this is class 4 part 4 video for the 5th standard, first chapter, large numbers. Dear children, in our today class, we have to discuss about the rounding the numbers. First content in our today class, that is rounding the numbers. Rounding numbers. Another word for rounding numbers is approximate the numbers. Approximation. Approximate or approximation. Here approximation or rounding the value means it is here rounding the numbers means it is a round figure or round numbers or it is nearest number. Rounding numbers is nothing but nearest number. Suppose example dear children, 9 is there na, 9 rupees which is very nearer to the 10 rupees. Suppose here 2 rupees, is it a nearest value to the 10 rupees? No. 6 rupees, it is also nearest to the 10 rupees. Then 4 rupees, is it a nearest to the 10 rupees? No. Like that way, here nearest number are rounding the numbers. Yes, I will make it. Yes, giving example 1. Yes, rounding the following numbers. Suppose dear children, example 1. Suppose here 25 is there now. 25 is given number. Here if they underline for the 10th place value, here you should carefully observe in unit place number. If the unit place number which is more than 5 or equal to 5, if there, then you should increase one digit in the 10th place value. Yes, now this will become approximate or rounding value is nearly 30. When it is rounding for the nearest value 10. Suppose example 2 dears, suppose 76. Here if they can round off the 7 is 10th place value 7. You should carefully observe the number which is present in unit place. Already told, the number which is present in unit place, it is more than 5 or equal to 5. Then you have to increase one value in the 10th place. Now this is 6 which is more than 5. That's why increase one value in 10th place. That will become rounding value. That is 80. 76 is approximately nearest to the 80. Example 3. Suppose 144. If they can underline here 100 place value. If they underlined 100 place value, carefully you observe the number which is present in 10th place. If they underlined 10th place value, you should carefully observe in 10th place value. The number which is present in 10th place, which is more than 5 or equal to 5, then you can increase one value to the 10th place, here 100 place. Here the number which is present in 10th place is 4, which is less than the 5. Which is less than the 5. Write as it is only. Rounding value that is 100 itself. 100 only. Here 144. It is if I underline it for the 100 place now, it is approximately equal to the 100. Example 4, my dear children. Suppose 155. If they underlined a 100 place number, 100 place digit. Here the number which is present in the 10th place is 5. Okay, now we can increase one value to this one. Yes, one digit to the 100 place number. That is rounding value that is 200. Yes, here one value if I add to the 100 place number, that will become 200. I think this is understood. A few more examples I want to explain. Let us wait. Example 5, dear children. Suppose 2488. What is the rounding number of 2488? Underlined, or it is in the place of nearest to the 1000 place. Rounding the given number nearest 1000 place, if they can ask. 1000 place means here 2000 underlined word. You have to carefully observe, dear children. The number which is present in place of 100. The number which is present in 100. If they can ask rounding the given number nearest to the 1000, if they can ask, you have to carefully observe the number which is present in 100 place. If the given number in the 100 place is more than 5 or equal to 5, then you can increase one value to the 1000. Otherwise, keep as it is the 1000 place value. Here 4, which is very less than the 5. Now that's fine. Keep as it is 2000 itself. Rounding value is that is 2000. That is 2000. Example 6, dear children. Suppose 3745. Rounding the nearest 1000 place. See ma, here they are asking here nearest, rounding the numbers nearest 1000 they are asking. The number which is present in 100 place 7, which is more than 5. That's why increase one digit to the 1000 place. Rounding value that is 4000. That is 4000. Example 7 here. Suppose 12,453. Yes, rounding the numbers nearest to the 10,000. Here 1 is present in place of 10,000 place. That's why they are generally asking rounding the numbers nearest to the 10,000. Rounding the numbers nearest to the 10,000. If they can ask, see dear children here, the number which is present in 1000 place is 2 now, which is below the 5, which is less than the 5. That's why keep as it is. Rounding value that is 10,000 itself, dear children. 10,000. Example 8, dear children. Suppose 59,458. What is the rounding numbers nearest to the 10,000? Means the number which is present in 1000 place 9, which is more than 5. That is 60,000. Rounding value that is 60,000. That is 60,000. I think, dear children, you did understand how can we rounding the numbers to their asking places? If they can ask unit place, then 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Okay, remaining content regarding to this large number chapter, yes, I will continue in the next class. Thanking you all. Bye.